This is flawless. Look at this. Look at my skin. This is airbrushed magic. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm about to show y'all in this video. It's a little different. We're doing a makeup review in this video. On this channel, I do a lot of wig reviews, and I'm starting to do more makeup. So definitely, if you like stuff like that, consider hitting the subscribe button. But today, we are focusing on this face, because this face right here is looking like we are airbrushed. And if you guys want to see the beauty of Fenty, stay tuned. Guys, so today we're going to be testing out this new Fenty powder. This is the Fenty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and I'm really excited to try this one, guys, because it's Rihanna. Also, I do wear Fenty. I am a Fenty lover. I do everything Fenty. I wear a lot of different makeup too, but I do love Rihanna's products. So I've been wearing the liquid foundation for a very long time. This is the color 400. So this is the soft matte liquid foundation. So today we're going to be doing this powder. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? So off the bat, we get our little signature packaging. So opening up, oh my goodness, it's beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. So Fenty has come out with some powder foundations. There are 50 different shades. Just like the liquid foundation, Rihanna has came out with the powder foundation version of all her foundation she's came out with. So this is the powder. It does come with a little sponge. I'm going to do a little bit of the sponge, and then I'm going to do some brushes and show you guys kind of the difference of, you know, what different brushes do. So first, I'm going to start with prepping my face. I'm going to use this primer. This is the Pro Filt'r Fenty primer. I use this primer all the time. I like the way it sits on my face, but use definitely what primer works for you. But I like this primer. I already went ahead and did my eyes, guys, for the sake of timing. I just went ahead and did my eyes. I do have a video on how I achieved this look. So if you want to see that, that video definitely is coming up. So stay tuned for that. All right. So the thing with powder foundations, guys, is you want to go in kind of a little bit reverse of what you do with your liquid foundation, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with all my liquid products first. I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I have a cream blush that I want to try also too. So I'm going to go in with that. So I'm going to put all that stuff under my powder and then go from there, okay? So I'm going to start with my concealer. This, again, is the color 400. Rihanna set it up with her whole Fenty line, which I like, is everything kind of matches up. This is 400 with the concealer. If you want it a little bit lighter, definitely get a lighter shade, but this is the concealer that I use. And depending on the look that I'm going for, sometimes I'll use like a brighter concealer. So I'm just going to kind of correct a little bit. You know what? I have like these, you know what? Let's come in closer. So I do have some blemishes here. I'm going to leave a couple spots to see how good the foundation kind of covers it. And then I have some more over here. I think I had a breakout with some skin product that I used, but I'll just go ahead and we'll leave this side, but I'm going to go ahead and just put my concealer on this side, because I want to see how good this foundation kind of, you know, matches. The thing I like about Fenty is that sometimes it does come off a little bit orange, but then it kind of oxidizes into your skin and it just looks really, it just glows. So even though this might be coming off a little orange, don't worry about that, because it's going to blend in. You see how this side is looking really orange and this side is kind of just starting to melt into my skin. So it definitely does, you know, blend nice into the skin. And like I said, it does look a little orange at first, but don't worry about that. So who's excited about this? Because I am. I'm really excited about anything Rihanna, anything makeup. So I have this cream blush. I'm going to put that on now. I know it seems kind of backwards, but I'm going to put it on now only because this is a cream blush. So that's what you want to do with the cream products. You want to put all your liquids and creams on first. So this is the cream blush. This is the color Summertime Wine. I've never tried this blush before, so I'm a little nervous. Ooh, this is pretty, y'all. Look at this. Ooh. So I used to be really scared with blush at first because I was like, I don't need blush. I'm black. I mean, that's the reality of it, y'all. I used to be really scared of it. I didn't think that black girls wore blush, to be honest with you. So I'm just going in with this fluffy brush. Just kind of, ooh, that's pretty. I'm not going to put too much. I'm just going to kind of put it on my cheekbone. Oh, look at that. You see that? So with blush and contouring and all that stuff, you're adding dimensions back to your face. So if you're going to put on makeup, you're going to have one flat look. You don't want to have that. You want to have dimensions to your face, you know. And when I say dimensions, is the shadows, the highlights, the color. So that's kind of why you put on the blush, you know, to add those layers back to the face. I think I really like this. It's a cream blush, but I like it. Just keep in mind, we did not put on any foundation yet, okay? All right, y'all, I'm excited. Oh, I'm nervous. So this side, I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit with the sponge to show you guys. Oh, you can't even barely see that. Wow. Okay. So that is going into my skin really nice. Keep in mind with powder foundation, the bigger, the fluffier the brush, the lighter coverage. The more dense the brush, or if you use like a sponge or a beauty blender, the fuller the foundation, okay? So this is a buildable foundation, so I'm actually going to go in with, I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. I think this brush would be a good brush to use, so I'm just kind of dabbing it a little bit. Barely see that, guys. Ooh, look how smooth that is. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. You know what? I forgot that I wanted to contour my nose. And this is a cream, so I'm going to kind of stop right here. I didn't do this side yet, but I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to use this matchstick. I use the color Espresso, and I do my nose. And like I said, this is all for dimensions. And I normally do that side. I totally forgot, y'all. Oh, I forgot. But it's okay. It's okay. We can make this work. We can make this work. My glue is all crusted. Alright, so now that I'm done with that already, this is looking nice, y'all. I'm going to do this side. Even though I did start with the sponge, I'm going to finish with my brush. So this is supposed to be like a buildable, like light to full coverage foundation. And I totally see that because I'm already getting skin. This is nice. I feel like airbrushed. It's saying that this is supposed to be light and airy, and it's also supposed to not clog your pores. It's saying it's supposed to give you like this ultimate blurred finish. And guys, this, I'm feeling blurred. I ain't even put a filter on. Like, yes, we are getting a blurred finish. I don't even see the foundation, but it's there. It's magic. Oh. This is so nice. Honestly, y'all, I didn't know how I would feel about this because I haven't worn a powder foundation since like the beginning of time when MAC was the only thing that people were wearing. And I haven't had powder in a long time, but so I'm gonna put a little bit under that concealer now, under my eyes. This is nice, y'all. It's like a setting powder mixed with your foundation all at once. It's just beautiful. So that cream blush is kind of starting to, I'm noticing that it's kind of starting to disappear a little bit. So it looks like I might have to go in with a little blush after this, but this is flawless. Look at this. Look at my skin. This is airbrushed magic. I was so nervous about this, y'all. I was really nervous, but this is bomb. I also picked up this bronzer. I normally use a deeper foundation shade to contour with, but I picked up this bronzer because we Fenty, you know, so we gotta be Fenty all the way. Who else does that? Like try to match the whole, well, we gotta match everything together. Like when you wearing Nikes, you try to wear a Nike shirt. Why you can't wear an Adidas shirt with Nikes? You know, it's just, I don't know why we do that. But I did get a lot of Fenty products, so it's going to be a lot of Fenty products. This is pretty much going to be like a Fenty face. Ooh. So this is the bronzer right here. This is the color Coco Naughty. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the side here. Not really seeing it, but yeah, you know what? I am seeing it. You don't want to put too much. So that already looks amazing to me, y'all. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting powder. I do not have the Fenty setting powder, but I do have this Honey Laura Mercier powder, and I love it. I was gonna pick up the Honey setting powder, and I was like, but why? You know, use what you have, girl. So I'm going to just put a little bit of setting powder where I put that contour, because I mean, I guess I could just try the powder to see if it would crease, but I'm just kind of a creature of habit. And then I like the way it kind of brightens up under my eyes. Go ahead and put on a little bit of bronzer. It's Rihanna, guys, come on. I'm trying to do a lot of Fenty in this review, but who else was like that? Like when you were a kid, did you feel like you needed to match? Like when you wore Nike sneakers, did you need to wear a Nike shirt? Why do we do that? Why? Like, who cares? Like, nobody cares that your shirt is Nike and your socks are Adidas. You know what I'm saying? So already I'm liking the way that's deepening up my skin. It's looking really, really good. Okay, it's not too dark. It's not too light. It's just right. This off. So that blush kind of looks like it's there, but it kind of looks like it kind of got a little bit lost in the powder. What do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about the cream blush, because you're supposed to put stuff under, but I feel like that blush is not popping the way I want to see it pop, but it could just be me. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Glow Diamond Balm. This is supposed to be like an all over glow highlighter, but I'm gonna use it right here to highlight. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. Oh. Okay, so that's pretty. It's a little chunkier than I thought, but it's nice though. It's nice. But it is a little bit more sparkly than I thought it would be. I don't know why I thought it would be a little bit more kind of velvety, silky, but it's fine. But that's cute though. Got some sparkle in there for sure. See? It's a little sparkly. It was too sparkly for me, but I think this is better for one of those like putting on your clavicles and stuff like that. But I mean, it's pretty, but it's just a little bit too sparkly for me, but it's all good. So I'm just going in with my Maybelline Super Stay. This is what I use to contour with. It's just basically a foundation that's darker than my skin. Normally I would go in and contour with it, but I'm going to put it right here. Since I use the Coco Naughty there, I'm not going to use it, but I'm just going to go in here. I like to do my nose, okay? Don't judge me. You do not have to do this, but I do like to create those shadows in my face. So this is like this, you know, my face structure. So I like to create those shadows and dimensions back into my face. You see what that did? We are looking good. I'm going to put that blush back on top of my face because I feel like it got lost, y'all. It's cream, but I'm just gonna dab it a little bit on top here. It got lost to me, so I don't know. I feel like you might have to go in with a powder blush. I'm going to go in with a little bit of gloss. It's Fenty gloss. So this is just the universal one. This is Fenty Glow. Nothing serious. The universal color that they have. And that's pretty much it. Y'all, I look like I'm airbrushed right now. This is beautiful. Okay, so let me fix my hair and I'll be back and we'll talk about everything at the end. Alright guys, so overall I'm done putting on my hair. You know, I had to put on my wig. And I'm done with my face. And this is beautiful, y'all. Like, I am impressed with this powder. I haven't worn a powder foundation in a very long time, but when I first saw this one, I was a little nervous. Oh, I forgot. I told you guys in the review that I would try to cover up right here, my spots. Alright, so overall, I'm in love with this foundation. I am pleasantly surprised that I like this foundation. I am getting like a nice airbrushed look. It's giving me a nice smooth finish. It says that this is going to give you like a blurred finish, and it's definitely giving me that. I did not go in with any setting spray because I wanted to see how the powder really settled on my face. It's been about like an hour later, and the shine is starting to come through. I do kind of have oily skin, but it's giving me like a healthy glow, y'all. Like, this is giving me speechless vibes, I guess. But it's giving me a healthy glow. I'm liking the way that the powder kind of mixes with my oils and my skin, and it's just kind of radiating through, and it's giving me a nice, beautiful glow, and I like it. I like also the way it did cover up my blemishes. I told you guys I have some blemishes on the side here, and it did kind of cover that up. I did use a little bit of contour on this side, but this side I went in with the powder, and it covered up some of my dark spots right here, and I like that. Like, look, I still have a little bit right here, but let's see. It's really covering it up. So it's definitely a real buildable foundation. I like it. I feel like this foundation is good for like on the go if you just want to kind of put some stuff on real quick. It's not like liquid where you kind of have to blend it out and do all that stuff. This is just like smear, you know, and we out the door. This is beautiful, y'all. It says that Rihanna took like 3 years to make this, and I see why she took a long time, because this is bomb. This is bomb, y'all. Overall, I definitely do like it. I recommend it. I think it's a winner. Let me know what y'all think about this, and let me know if you like content like this and what else you guys kind of want to see as far as makeup goes. If you do like this eye, I did film it. I was gonna do a Fenty eye, but they ran out of the Fenty palette that I wanted, so I used this Sephora palette, and I really like it, y'all. Like, it's a really nice palette. So definitely check the description box for that makeup look, for this makeup look below. And also, if you like my hair, I did do a review on my hair, because you know we got to do the makeup and the hair on this channel, okay? I'll leave a link below to that, so check the description box to that. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, y'all, and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, because a lot of you guys are coming through and not subscribing, so it's okay. But I know you're gonna come back, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.